Hey guys, this is Franklin here, and this is Cindy.
Hi.
And today we'll be doing a version to ginger hair color. She's a natural level 4, I would say 4, and we're going to level 7, 8, 7.5 around there. And we're doing we're using Koleston Perfect today, which is Wella. Okay guys, here I am parting the hair into 4 even parts. This is a good technique just to get all the hair out of the way. I am mixing a half a tube of Koleston 734 and half a tube of Koleston 834, and I'm mixing it with a 30 developer because I am going to go a couple of shades lighter on Cindy's hair. You could use a 40, it just depends on how light you want the hair to be. Obviously you do need gloves, you don't want to end up looking like a mechanic. You want to make sure you mix the product very well before applying it onto the hair. You want it to be a thick to medium consistency. I am going to be working in sections, and this is my first section. I am grabbing about ½ an inch of hair, and I'm going to start about ½ an inch away from the scalp. And this process is very important since this is a virgin application. You don't want to apply any product onto the root until 30 minutes after you have finished processing the whole hair. You want to repeat this process throughout the whole hair as well. You want to make sure you're saturating the hair very well because you don't want it to look patchy. So make sure you get all the hair. I am doing stroking movements just so it can look more natural. And if you are mixing color, guys, make sure that every time you finish your bow, you are mixing the same amount of color you mixed the first time. This will make your color look the same and even. You cannot see it very clearly, but I've been doing the same thing for all the hair. This is the last section I am doing. You want to keep doing the same thing. Do not touch the roots. Keep doing ½ an inch away from the scalp. After 30 minutes, you want to check the hair just to see if it has been lining, and Cindy's hair has been lining very well. So I am going to start doing the root now. I'm going to do all her roots, all her hair, and we're going to let this process for another 30 minutes. It is a long process, guys, so just be patient. The key to this is just being patient. I am liking how the hair is looking so far from the bottom, so we're going to let this process for another 30 minutes, and then you can rinse and wash. The color we're going for is like a copper to ginger hair color, I would say. It has gold and red undertones. We can see this color in Jennifer Lawrence, Bella Thorne. Many celebrities have had this color. For the roots, you want to make sure you add a new batch to your bow. You don't want to be using the same batch that has been sitting there. Also, I am done, and we've waited 30 minutes, and now I am styling the hair. I'm using a wand, and Cindy has very long hair, so this is great. She's going to, this color looks great on long hair, and also the curls are going to look great. Using a wand makes the curls look more natural. I am loving how the color turned out. What do you guys think? I love playing with long hair. It's just, I don't know, something about long hair and curling the hair. I don't know, I love it. Make sure you grab those little stubborn hairs. Alright guys, this is the final look. We went from virgin hair to ginger hair in one step. And if you have any requests or any comments, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and click like.
And this, and give you